Have you ever wanted to buy something online but didn't have the money at the time? Or maybe you're looking to spread out the cost of a big purchase. If so, FavePay Later might be the perfect solution for you. In this video, we're going to talk about what FavePay Later is, how it works, and the pros and cons of using it. What is FavePay Later? FavePay Later is a buy now, pay later (BNPL) service that allows you to split your purchase into 4 interest-free installments. This means you can get the things you need right away and pay for them over time. How does FavePay Later work? To use FavePay Later, you first need to create an account. Once you've done that, you can shop at any of the thousands of merchants that accept FavePay Later. When you're ready to check out, simply select FavePay Later as your payment method. FavePay Later will then split your purchase into 4 equal installments. You'll make your first payment on the day of your purchase, and then you'll make 3 more payments every 2 weeks after that. Pros of using FavePay Later. There are a number of pros to using FavePay Later. Here are a few of the most notable. No interest. FavePay Later offers interest-free financing, so you won't pay any extra on top of your purchase price. Flexible payment options. You can choose to pay off your purchase over 4 weeks or up to 6 months. Easy to use. The FavePay Later app is easy to use and makes it easy to track your payments. Wide range of merchants. FavePay Later is accepted at thousands of merchants, so you're sure to find a place to use it. Cons of using FavePay Later. There are also a few cons to using FavePay Later. Here are a few of the most notable. Not available everywhere. FavePay Later is not yet available in all countries. Limited spending limit. The maximum amount you can spend with FavePay Later is $1,000. Late fees. If you miss a payment, you will be charged a late fee. Is FavePay Later right for you? FavePay Later can be a great option if you're looking to spread out the cost of a big purchase or if you don't have the money up front. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before deciding if it's right for you. FavePay Later is a convenient and affordable way to finance your purchases. If you're looking for a flexible payment option, FavePay Later might be a good choice for you. If you're interested in learning more about FavePay Later, please visit our website or download our app. Thanks for watching.